I was sent this set of hose repair connectors and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So here it goes. Here's everything you're going to get in the box. 2 different components here. You've got 4 of these repair brass connectors. Now these are brass, so they're going to last you a long time. They're not going to corrode. You're not going to have any rusting problems like that. These are going to fit a hose that's, you know, between about 1/2 inch and 3/4, somewhere in the middle there. And various sizes will work because you've got an adjustable clamp here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to slide this hose that's cut or has a tear in it, you know, make some nice fresh cuts on the hose, and then put one end on here, the other end on here like this, and then slide this on and tighten down on these hose clamps in order to make the mend. So you're basically mending that hose together with this piece in the center. Now this has these progressive pieces here that will start to lock in as you push this into the hose, so it'll hold onto it nice and firmly, and then when you pinch down it with this hose clamp, it's going to be nice and tight, and that's not going to give away. So this is a permanent repair once you put it in there, but it's also something you can reverse if you undo it with the bolts here and take it out. So definitely really cool set, because you're going to get 4 of these and you're going to get 8 of these clamps to do the job, and you're going to have 4 hoses that you can mend. Hey, I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a great day.